I posted a video a few days ago that gained quite an attention. So some of you have reached out to me that I should emphasize more on the Ostiga AI website builder. Then came this video. As you can tell from the title, on today's video we are going to be building a simple but professional website using the Ostiga AI website builder, and we are going to be doing that in few minutes. You'll notice that I said we. That means that you and I are going to build this website together. So let's get started. So all you need to do is to go to Google and search for ostiga.com. It will bring you to a page that looks like this. As you can see, there are 4 different plans that we can choose from. But let's start with the most suitable one for local businesses, since you want to make money from it, right? So just go for that plan. After subscribing, within 30 days, if you don't like how it works, then you can still get your money back. It's a win-win, right? Yeah. Moving forward, enter your email address to create an account or your social media login, but email address is more professional. Fill in your payment details and apply. To set up your AI website, all you need to do is to click on this setup button. It will direct you to a dashboard where it says Start Now. Click on Select and create a new website. Then select the Ostiga Builder with AI. You'll be able to see a page asking you to create a domain name. If you already have one, then select existing domain. But if you don't have one, just create a domain for yourself. Let's create a site for you in 1 minute. So select Start Creating, and it will bring you right to this page. So tell them about the local business you are working with, and if it's for you, then just fill out the information. Just make sure that you are detailed as possible. AI is currently generating a website here. It says your website is ready. This took less than 2 minutes, right? Yeah. So this is what the website is going to look like. AI is always one step ahead of us, like they are faster. Now, to change any text on your website, click on Edit, then click on Edit Text. You can also make use of the Create Again option to change your website to any details that you want. If you want to change the color, select Change Background, choose the color. If you want to change any image, select here and click on Change Image. Then replace image. Changes from your media library. You can also get a free stock image by clicking on the free image. But to me, this AI generated website is like good to go. There are also 3 important tools on this AI website builder that you can take advantage of and make use of. You've already paid this with your plans, but so many people don't even know how to use this. They don't know how to go about it. But I'm going to be telling you on today's video, which is the AI logo maker, AI writer, and the AI heat map. So the first one is the AI logo maker. So come right here to AI tool, then to logo maker. It will direct you to this page, fill in your info and start creating. After a few seconds, it will generate multiple logos that you can choose from. If you see anyone that you like, just select download for free. But if you don't see anyone that you like, just select the customize button and just customize to anyone that you want. So the second one is AI tool writer from the same AI tool page. So you put all the text that you want on your website and just click on generate text. It will generate you something detailed and it will be able to emphasize more on what you want. And finally, the AI heat map. This AI heat map tells you where your viewers' attention are focused on. Mostly, like when people come to the local businesses websites or when people come to your website, where catches their attention first. Go to the same AI tool menu, select the best option. It will start generating the main attention focus when you click on it. As you can see, AI is able to figure out where viewers' attention is drawn to, which is color red. After your website is ready, you can just screen record that and send to the clients that you are working with. And if you are doing this from your mobile phone, just click on this mobile icon. It will automatically convert it to mobile form. So when you are good to go, click on live. That means that your website is launched successfully. I am sorry for talking too fast. And yeah, that brings us right into the end of this video. I hope that you learned something. And if you want me to talk slowly and emphasize more, just drop a comment below. I am going to do that. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.